Hey all, this is Nandi here. So today I thought of shooting a video on Swachh Bharat mission. Of late, I started working on the grounds to support this program. So I thought let me shoot a video to create awareness for the people who are really unaware and also give additional information to know more about this program. I have collected few information and have it ready. So I will refer those points, the important points, and discuss on what this program is all about. Fine, let's get started now. Swachh Bharat Mission is a national campaign by the Government of India covering 4,000 cities and towns to clean the streets, roads and infrastructure of the country. This is a general information that everyone might know. But the campaign was officially launched on 2nd October 2014 at Rajghat, New Delhi, where Prime Minister Narendra Modi himself cleaned the roads. Modi said that the best memorial to Mahatma Gandhi would be to achieve a clean India by 2019 on his 150th birth anniversary. It is India's biggest ever cleanliness drive, and 3 million government employee and school and college students of India have participated in this event. The mission was started by Prime Minister Modi, who nominated 9 famous personalities for this campaign, and they took up the challenge and nominated 9 more people, and so on. So let's get into the Clean India, Green India program. When the last tree is cut, the last fish killed, the last river poisoned, you will see that you can't eat money. This was a famous quote said by John May. So what is Clean India program all about? So generally, India has a population of over 1 billion, of which almost 300 million live in around 600 towns and cities. Unfortunately, as a result of stressed environmental conditions, most of these towns and cities are unable to cope up with the rapid pace of urbanization. Water pollution, unavailability of drinking water, inadequate sanitation, open dumping of waste, and loss of forest cover are some of the related problems. These have serious consequences on the health of the people and are also an economic burden to the country. A very notable thing here. Similarly, waterborne diseases like diarrhea, jaundice and cholera are taking a heavy toll on both human and economic productivity. This situation demands immediate intervention in the management of rapidly growing urban environmental problems. The quality of the environment needs to be monitored regularly, and more importantly, scientific work needs to be extended beyond the laboratory and become more community centered. While the regulatory agencies continue to play their role, programs that are community based are required. These will help the community understand local issues and take necessary initiatives to improve their local environment conditions and come up with new local specific initiatives to improve their surrounding environmental conditions. So, Clean India program. CLEAN, what does it stand for? It is not just clean, but it stands for Community-Led Environment Action Network. This program was launched by Development Alternatives (DA) with the vision of developing a cleaner environment for our urban centers. This nationwide program focuses on environmental assessment, awareness, advocacy and action on school children who are the future citizens. The underlying realization is that each one of us is responsible for the current state of our environment, and we cannot wait for someone else to solve it. Let me repeat it again. Each one of us is responsible for the current state of our environment, and we cannot wait for someone else to solve it. The mission of this program was to aim at mobilizing the community responsibility for environmental assessment and improvement in all major towns and cities of India through schools and NGOs linked with governments, business, academics and other institutions. Okay, what is it all about? And the network is how big? So there's a question mark. Yes, let me clarify here. Clean India programs partners with more than 30 like-minded NGOs, 400 schools and over 1 million students who coordinate the activities across 78 urban centers of India. They participate in various environmental activities and programs for a cleaner, greener India. So what are they concentrating on? They mainly concentrate on water quality and conservation, sanitation, land use and biodiversity conservation, air quality, energy efficiency, carbon footprint, climate change. So these are the 7 major areas where they concentrate on. So today we had few knowledge about Clean India and Green India program. I guess you will join hands with this program and start working from today. Keep your environment and surroundings as clean and as green as possible. Let's join hands with this program from now and wish that India by 2019 becomes a clean India and a green India. Jai Hind. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned for more and signing off, Nandi.